tire, talking about how to buy tires. We're talking about tire replacement. We always recommend you replace them at least in pairs. Now that goes for most vehicles. Now in your all-wheel drive cars and some of your four-wheel drive vehicles, you need to replace all four at once. You should never replace one tire at a time. We understand some customers don't have the money to replace the pair at the same time, but at that time it may be to your advantage to go to a lower cost tire and put the pair on. Front-wheel drive vehicles, you could create transmission problems with two different size tires or two different tires, although they're the same size. The manufacturers are like manufacturers of shoes. They're not exactly the same. So those revolutions per mile will be different from the left side to the right side, causing transmission problems and causing torque pull, and it's just not a good idea. So we always recommend a pair or a set of four. Again, when a person opts to do that, if it's a front-wheel drive vehicle, we'll always recommend to get that new one on the rear so it doesn't damage the transmission. Rear-wheel drive, we'll ask them to put it on the front, but the problem with putting it on the front is it's going to make the car cool if it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle. So it's always important for us to have that customer acknowledge what's going on. And of course, if they can't afford it, we try to make other arrangements for them. And it's maybe a better idea for them to put two good used ones on it instead of buying one new one that are going to be like tread, same manufacturer, same design, and get them out that way.